Good morning, dear friends. In today's video, I will discuss the new topic that is kurtosis. So firstly, I will define the kurtosis and then I will explain the various formulas that will be used in the illustrations. So kurtosis is a Greek word, means bulginess. In statics, kurtosis refers to the degree of flatness or peakness. That means it tells about how the curve is flat or peaked. If a curve is more peaked than the normal curve, then it is called leptokurtic. If a curve is more flat topped than the normal curve, then it is known as the platykurtic. The normal curve is known as the mesokurtic. That means we compare with the normal curve. Normal curve is known as the mesokurtic. I have denoted it as a M. And if the curve is more peaked to the normal curve, that is mesokurtic curve, then it is known as the leptokurtic. And if the curve is more flat to the normal curve, then it is known as the platykurtic. I have denoted the symbol P. P for platykurtic and L for leptokurtic and M for mesokurtic. This is a normal curve, this is a peaked curve, and this is a flat curve. So, as a measure of kurtosis, Carl Pearson gave the coefficient beta 2, that is beta 2, or its derivative, that is gamma 2, defined as follows. Beta 2 is equal to mu 4 over mu 2 whole square, where mu 4 and mu 2, it represents fourth moment and mu 2 represents second moment. So this is the way how we have to calculate the kurtosis. This is the formula beta 2, and next we will see there is a gamma 2. So gamma 2 is equal to beta 2 minus 3. That means whenever we are able to calculate the beta 2, we can easily find out the gamma 2. For normal or mesokurtic curve, that means M. M के लिए beta 2 equal to 3 or gamma 2 equal to 0. This is the standard. That means if we are putting beta 2 is equal to 3, then we are getting gamma 2. That is equal to 0. So this is for the mesokurtic curve. That means normal curve. For a leptokurtic curve, L, beta 2 should be greater than 3. If beta 2 we are taking greater than 3, that means let us suppose we are taking 4, 5, 6. Obviously, gamma 2 will be greater than 0. This is for leptokurtic curve. Leptokurtic curves I have denoted that is the more peaked curve. More peaked curve के लिए we will take beta 2 greater than 3 or gamma 2 will be also greater than 0. For a platykurtic curves, platykurtic means more flat curve. More flat curve के लिए क्या होता है? Beta 2 less than 3. अगर beta 2 less than 3 लेते हैं, let us suppose I am taking 2, तो obviously gamma 2 will be less than 0. So this is the analysis. That means it depends upon whether the curve is mesokurtic, leptokurtic or platykurtic. Then Carl Pearson beta and gamma coefficient based on moments. That means how we have to calculate the moments. That is beta 1. Beta 1 is equal to mu 3 square over mu 2 cube. And beta 2 is equal to mu 4 over mu 2 square. And here mu 3 means third moment. Mu 2 is second moment. And this is the fourth moment. This is the second moment square. Now, this is taken as the gamma 1. Gamma 1, how we will calculate? This is the root of beta 1. And gamma 2, I have already taken, that is beta 2 minus 3. These are the few formulas that will be used in the few illustration to calculating the moments. Whenever we are going to calculate the moment or we can say kurtosis, then we will use the various formula. So I am here representing the various formulas. Then if we have to calculate the moment about mean, that means I have considered here mu 3, mu 2, mu 4. What is the mu 1, mu 2, mu 3, mu 4? Mu 1 is always taken as 0 and mu 2 is mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash whole square. This is the moment about mean. This is the way how we have to calculate the moment about mean. Then mu 3 is equal to mu 3 dash minus 3 mu 2 dash mu 1 dash plus 2 mu 1 dash cube. Then mu 4, this is the fourth moment. The formula will be mu 4 dash minus 4 mu 3 dash mu 1 dash plus 6 mu 2 dash mu 1 dash का whole square minus 3 mu 1 dash power 4. That means whenever we have to calculate the beta 1, beta 2, we have to calculate the moments. That means moment about means. I have written these formula. These formula will be used. So then if we will solve the illustration, then we will calculate mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu3 dash, then we will put in this formula. We will get the first moment, second moment, third moment and fourth moment. These are the various formula that we will use in the various illustrations. Thanks dear friend. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share with other also.